I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram. So from Instagram here, you want to go to the bottom right section here on your accounts. Now on your accounts here, you want to click on the three bars up here. Now on the three bars up here, you want to scroll down until you find accessibility, right? It's under your app and media and it's right here, right? Accessibility and translations. Just tap on that. Now once here, you can see there is a very obvious option here called dark mode. Now on dark mode, you can either, of course, turn it on, off, or system default. So if your phone is set to dark mode by default, then of course it'll follow your system default. I'm going to show you what it looks like. If I turn on dark mode, it'll be like this, right? Very, very bright, not very comfortable to the eye. So again, just go back and then make it on like that. See? Now, the system or Instagram in itself has turned into dark mode, right? And it's as easy as that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.